Welcome to my lecture video, the first one in the series of videos that I will make for this week. I'm starting in the virtual Google Classroom. However, please keep in mind all of the information that you find in this video is relevant to all of my classes. We are all doing the same thing. The only difference that you will notice will be in the agenda. And each agenda is written differently because of the different days that each class section meets. So the virtual students, they are working at their own pace from home. The rest of the classroom of students are working in a particular given class period. Therefore, the agenda is designed based on what section you're in English 10. Okay, I started on the stream page because that's the first page that pops up when you log into your Google Classroom. Please keep in mind that when you open your Google Classroom, always check to see if I've posted any new pieces of information. Okay, and you will see I posted these yesterday for the virtual students. These are announcements. Okay, once you check to see if there's any new announcements, check that every day, several times a day. This is where I will post all of your announcements. Then select the classwork tab. And agenda is at the top of the page. And this is week 3. So if you open week 3, you will see all of the work that we are doing in week 3. Okay, so everyone across the board had to finish up their reading boot camp vocab quiz at the beginning of this week. So once you have completed that reading bootcamp vocab quiz, then you can move into all of the work set up for week 3. I only have 3 major assignments for this week, so let's break it down. You will have a quote of the week, and there are always 4 questions that you have to answer as you analyze each quote. You will do vocab. This is the new vocab list that starts this week. There are 6 words in this week's vocab list, and you will copy that in your binder under the tab of vocab, and then you will fill out the vocab graphic organizer, and you will find that listed in the vocab section in the Google Classroom. It's a Google Docs. You will fill that information out. After you do the quote and you do the vocab, then we're going to begin writing our first paragraph. This one is considered a body paragraph. I have written the thesis statement for you. You are using your notes from your graphic organizer from Reading Boot Camp as your evidence. You will develop your own viewpoint from the thesis statement and develop a topic sentence. And you will use, again, as I said, you will use the Reading Bootcamp graphic organizer to develop your topic sentence as well as the thesis statement that I have created for you. You will find that in the Google Classroom under the writing section. So once you have developed your strong topic sentence, then follow the rest of the instructions and descriptions that you find in the writing section and complete the writing of the rest of that paragraph. After the topic sentence, you will then have your evidence, and then you will explain how that evidence connects to the topic sentence, and then you're going to explain again just a little bit deeper, more information of how that evidence connects to the topic sentence. The final sentence in this one small short paragraph is going to be your wrap-up sentence. This is where you will tie together all of your information that's in that paragraph, and just bring that paragraph to a close. You'll want to tie together the point that you made in your topic sentence, the evidence that you used, and the explanations. So just simply tie all of those pieces together and close it up. All of this work is due by Sunday, September the 13th, before 6 p.m. So as you can see, it looks like there are 5 things that you have to do, but in essence, there really are only 3 after you take your reading vocab quiz. So after reading vocab quiz, you will do quote of the week, your new vocabulary list, and remember there are only 6 words, and then you will write your reading boot camp paragraph. Okay, I'm going to close this video now. This is the video discussing the agenda, and I will make another video discussing the lesson plans.